The triangles are similar by AA
AA test.
Triangles are similar by AA test.
Test.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. Those who have joined late, let me give them a minute to copy. Then we'll look at another example, and then we'll begin with theorem on areas of similar triangles. Draw this diagram. Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect in point Q. Intersect in point Q. If 2QA excuse me, if 2QA equals to QC, 2QB equals to QD, then prove DC equals to 2AB, then prove DC equals to 2AB. Copy this. So how are we going to prove this? Let's proceed with what is given to us. Okay, let's proceed. What is given? 2QA equals to QC. 2QA equals to QC. Bring QC this side. Therefore, QA upon QC equals to, therefore, QA upon QC equals
1 upon
to
2.
1 upon 2. Call this equation number 1. QA upon QC equals to 1 upon 2. That is equation 1. Similarly, we are given 2QB equals to QD. Therefore, QB upon QD also equals to
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. This is your
Equation 2.
equation. Now pay attention. QA, that is this, upon QC upon this side equals to 1 upon 2. QB upon QD again equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. QB upon QD also equals to 1 upon 2. So from this, therefore we can say, therefore QA upon QC equals to QB upon QD. QB upon QD. Correct? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Okay. Now look at triangle ABCD. Look at triangle AQB. That is this smaller triangle, this part AQB, and the triangle below it, that is CQD. This triangle, ये दोनों triangle. I will prove that these two triangles are similar because these are vertically opposite angles. And as we know, vertically opposite angles are congruent. Because vertically opposite angles are congruent, so these two angles are congruent, and this upon this is equal to this upon this is already proven over here. Okay, so by SAS test, the triangles will become congruent. So if the triangles are congruent, AB upon DC or CD will also be equal to this ratio, which is equal to 1 upon 2, which will be equal to twice AB, which we will prove systematically. We'll write it till here. Please copy till here, then we'll proceed further. In triangle QAB and triangle QCD. In triangle QAB and triangle QCD, or AQB and CQD, whichever way you write. Okay, you have QA upon QC equals to QB upon QD. Call this 3. We call this 3. You can say.
Sir, the board is shining.
From 3. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, कर लो copy. Then, as I said, the two angles are congruent because they are vertically opposite angles. That is, angle AQB is congruent to angle CQD. Congruent to angle CQD. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Now, if these angles are congruent and the sides which include these angles are in proportion, then the triangles are also similar. Therefore, triangle AQB is similar to triangle CQD. Reason, SAS test. By SAS test. Okay. If the triangles are similar, their sides are always in proportion. Therefore, AQ upon CQ equals to BQ upon DQ equals to AB upon CD equals to AB upon CD. Here you can say corresponding sides of similar triangles. You don't have to write the full this thing. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Instead of that, you can just write in the short form CSST. That is acceptable. CSST. C corresponding S sides of similar S, and again T for triangles. CSST.
Please shift the board little bit left side.
CSST.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. CSST. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. AQ upon CQ equals to BQ upon DQ equals to AB upon CD. Reason, CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. But what is AQ upon CQ? AQ upon CQ is 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
Proven over here. Correct? But AQ upon CQ equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, AB upon CD equals to 1 upon 2. Bring this to this side. Therefore, twice AB equals to CD, which is what you have to prove. Twice AB equals to CD. That is what we have to prove. Copy this. Anything not understood, please ask. If everything is understood, if everybody is finished, then we'll begin with the theorem of areas of ratios of areas of similar triangle. Let me know once you have finished with this. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal. The ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. I'll repeat again. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles, is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, this is an important theorem. Definitely, if this theorem does not come, the problems based on this are going to be there. Okay, so let's understand this. I'll first explain it to you. This is actually very easy. आपके बुक में सिर्फ इसका एक ही ये दिया है. I'm going to show you further. There will be more uses of that. What are that? That we will see later on. First, let's understand this theorem. Then we will see what are the other additional things that can be also used basis of this theorem directly. Draw the diagrams also. Sorry. This is what we have to prove. First, I'll explain it to you how we are going to go about it. The writing part you can do later on. Let's first do the explaining and the understanding part. Copy till here, then we will proceed. First copy till here, all of you. Let's understand how we are going to do this. First of all, let's say area of two triangles. What is area of the two triangles? Base into height into base into height. So for triangle, let's say ABC. What is the base?
BC.
For triangle ABC, the base is
BC.
and height.
AD.
This is D. AD. Upon.
QR.
Base will be
QR.
QR.
Into PS.
PS. Till here clear?
Yes, sir.
इसमें कुछ भी
Yes, sir.
complicated नहीं है. एकदम
No
basic.
complication.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
This I will split up as BC upon
BC upon QR.
into AD upon PS.
Yes.
Call it 1. We call it as 1. Okay. Now let's look at triangle ABD. The smaller part. Okay. The perpendicular है जहां तक है वहां तक. Triangle ABD and triangle PQS. These two triangles I'm saying. ABD and PQS. Okay. In both the triangles, you will see angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Angle B is equal to angle Q. And angle D is 90 degrees. Angle S is also 90 degrees. Angle S is also 90 degrees. So two angles equal. If two angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. So I'll get triangle ABD similar to triangle PQS. Now, if the angles are, if the triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion. So AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. Also, these two triangles are similar. So AB upon PQ is equal. Okay, that is what we are going to prove. अभी फिलहाल यहाँ तक copy कर लो because I'll have to erase it. I need the board. So please copy a little faster before we get disconnected. यहाँ तक जो हमने किया है in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. In triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B, angle Q. Reason, since triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Also, angle ADB, angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ. Reason, each is 90 degrees. The reason is each is 90 degrees. Now, if each is 90 degrees, two angles are proven. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQS by AA test. By AA test. Okay. Copy it here. In fact, इसके बाद एक और चीज, because there this thing we'll say AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PS. Call this 2. AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PS. Call this equation number 2. First equation was BC upon QR into AD upon PS. This is equation number 1. And here I have now got AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PS. This is 2. So we've got both the equations. Now, but we are given, but triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, that is given to us. Therefore, if the triangles are similar, therefore AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR equals to AC upon PR. Okay, because the triangles are similar, that is given to us. Okay. Now I'm going to say that is AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. Call this 3. Call this 3. Now see, AB upon PQ is BC upon QR. Okay, AB upon PC is. So now what have we got? First place we have BC upon QR into AD upon PS. But AD upon PS is AB upon PQ. AD upon PS is AB upon PQ. But what is AB upon PQ? It is also BC upon QR. So BC upon QR into BC upon QR. That is what we do. Because AD upon PS is AB upon PQ and AB upon PQ is BC upon QR. Therefore, BC upon, So therefore that was area of triangle. This was area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2, isn't it? Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to BC upon QR into AD upon PS, but equals to BC upon QR, but AD upon PS is AB upon PQ, and AB upon PQ is again BC upon QR. From 1, 2, and 3. You can also say this is what is we had said, like transitivity. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. Therefore, so it will become BC square upon BC square. And already we have shown over here, what is BC upon QR? AB upon PQ. What is BC upon QR? AC upon PR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to BC square upon QR square equals to AB square upon PQ square equals to AC square upon PR square. Okay, that is how we can prove it. In short, if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is the ratio of the squares of their sides. Okay, tomorrow just remind me. Iska aage, I'll also show. I will not show you, but I'll just tell you right now only. It is also equal to the ratio. The ratio of the areas is also equal to the ratio of the squares of their medians, or the squares of their perpendiculars, or the ratio of their perimeters. Even if you have the perimeter of one triangle and the perimeter of the other triangle, the area ka ratio will be the ratio of their perimeter. Supposing you just have AD and PS, you can still say AD square upon PS square. Perpendicular ka square will also work, not only side square, even perpendicular squares will work. Perpendicular nahi diya, median diya dono triangle ka. Median square can also be used over here. Okay. If you have copied till here, then I'll write that in short. If you have copied till here, then I'll write there in short. What it says is, I'll remove this. In short, the way you should remember for solving it in problems, it says A1 upon A2. Of course, it is given that the two triangles are similar. Only if the triangles are similar. If the triangles are not similar, this will not work. Only if triangles are similar. A1 upon A2. When A1 is similar to A2. Okay. So areas of A1 upon A2 is S1 square upon S2 square equals to H1 square upon H2 square, which is also equals to M1 upon M2 squares, which is also equals to P1 upon P2. P1 and P2 is not square. Huh? P1 and P2 is just the perimeter. Otherwise, altitude square, median square, side square. Okay, ये आपके फॉर्मूला में लिख कर रख दो. ये आप डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Okay, you don't need to prove this. If you have this, supposing you want to find the ratios, you can use this formula. इसमें से चार में से कोई भी तीन दिए हुए हैं, एक अननोन है, you can find out the fourth one. For example, area of triangle 1 is to be found out. आपको हाइट दिया है वो ट्राइंगल का, दूसरा ट्राइंगल जो सिमिलर है उसका हाइट दिया है और उसका एरिया दिया है. So you will substitute for A2, you will substitute for H1, you will substitute for H2, you can find A1. So if of the formula, okay,